All right, welcome back. Let's get back to work on the on our I want to say vocabulary, but we're actually working on the alphabet. So let's review. Say them after me: alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta. We need to cover. We're going to try to cover. See if I can get through iota, kappa, lambda. Maybe get in mu here. Um, Iota is a vowel, and it's the I. Yeah, so iota, I. I know. And it just looks like an I, but do not dot it. Maybe put a little tail on the bottom, depending on how artistic you feel. You can see up here, there's a little tail. Most texts that you see, Greek text, will have a little tail to the iota. And it really does just look like a lowercase I. And it technically can be short or long, so it can be I or E, but don't worry about. Just do what feels right when it comes to pronouncing it. I generally pronounce it as I, more the short I. It does not make a difference. So you can see I can do anything from a very unfanciful one to a kind of a stylistic one there. And that's our letter iota. And again, that's a vowel. Kappa is pretty self-explanatory. Looks like our letter K. Pronounced the same. I usually make 3 strokes. Sometimes I get fast and I just do 2, continuous. My second and third go fast together. But that's the kappa, and that is the K sound. So that's our iota, kappa. Lambda is pretty straightforward to make. Just make kind of a half angle line and just make a tent or a lean-to. That's a lambda, lambda, lambda. And as you can hear, that's the Greek equivalent of our letter L. And it is pronounced just the same. So iota, kappa, lambda. Now I want you to look carefully here. Notice if it kind of looks like a really compressed M, and that is the mu, and that is the equivalent of the M. So to form it, this starts below the line, and just comes straight up and make kind of like a U. And it's there, mu. Make it fairly tight. In most texts, once you see it, it's pretty straightforward. But mu, mu, mu. Whoops. There we go. Mu. So there we have it. We have iota, kappa, lambda, mu. Iota, kappa, lambda, mu. So you say it. I'll give you a little space to say it before I say the letter. Iota, kappa, lambda, mu. Iota, kappa, lambda, mu. Alpha, same with me. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu. And that is the halfway point. Whoops. Let's get rid of that. That mu represents the halfway point in the Greek alphabet. So you're halfway there. Yeah, one more time. Say it with me. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu. So let me encourage you, before you go to the next one, to just put everything aside, don't look at anything, and try to write the first half of the alphabet just by memory. Don't look at anything, and I'll see you in the next video.